You know, most of the time, a man with there with one type of woman love go out the road go look trouble. You know, always in a trouble with people. And your woman come in a ball and say, the boy Peter just box me and face so me not do him nothing. And the man just get up, take up his gun, gone out there and shoot Peter without asking a question. You see me? How you don't deal with a situation like that? Why first thing what you don't do?
First, it can be true and it can be a lie. So here and now, so you as the man, don't bother going on no bull force. Just go check out with somebody and say, Barry, how I really go on? Two sides of the story. Always know that.
Well, I'm going to find out the matter and if she wrong in here, you know, say, I'm going to adjust it the right way, but I'm going to put Peter in her place, because no Peter daughter and no Peter fucker, you know what I mean? So Peter never having right to put his hand on her, you know what I mean? So as me I say,
every man or every damn man have a certain amount of respect in our community. And then now the daughter gonna feel say boy, feel hypish, if say boy, my man have certain amount of damn shit. So at the end of the day, I told Dan, those clash this. So yes or no, I saw the problem coming up.
yeah man, the amount of war start their way, the amount of people that they way the past. Yeah man, they get banging same time man, he not ask some question man, he even want to know if a woman wrong or a Peter wrong or a John wrong. Gone at that man, I want to hear. And I can just jump to conclusion so.
Everything can work out. How we have a better Jamaica, a better community, and a safer one for our kids and all of the women.
The man Peter kind of dealing, which me no know. So I have to check out Peter and know what go on. Then from there, so we know what's up.
Just know the type of people them we are dealing with here. Yeah.
Every time she go out the road, go look trouble with people and come in and tell her man a different story and end up get her man in a trouble. What they call them type of woman then?
Well, I say crosses.
Crosses, girl, the pot.
Crosses, Jezebel, man.
Crosses.
Lucifer.
Crosses and Jezebel said we.
Troublemaker man. Troublemaker, real troublemaker.
Boy, I have to go look for Peter and ask him what they have. Because I know what make him box me woman, you see me?
Hey pussy, I want to see you sticking, you know.
You need to find out what they go on with the man and the woman before you try to get involved war.
Self-respect then.
Man, I see where you go, man. See where you go.
Because it depends on how he answer, you know. Well, say, if he answer rough, you know, say, flame or flame, you say, if he answer soft, that turn of the rod. Yeah.